Welcome to our course on digital marketing tools. I am very excited about this course because we're going to be going through 6 of some of the best tools in the marketing space so that you can supercharge your business online. We'll cover SEMrush, which is a fantastic competitive intelligence tool that allows you to zero in on exactly what your competitors are doing in search marketing. It covers organic search, paid search, keyword analysis, rank tracking, and backlinks. It is really unparalleled, I think, in this space, and it will allow you to jump straight to the front of the line to see what your competitors have done after lots of trial and error. We'll also be covering Ahrefs, which is, I think, the very best tool for inspecting competitor backlinks in the business. Backlinks are citations to a particular website which act as a sort of vote as far as search engines are concerned. There's other great stuff such as Content Explorer, which helps you find really viral articles in your space, as well as Keyword Explorer 2. We'll also be covering Ad Espresso, which is a really great tool for supercharging your Facebook ads. You'll be able to programmatically define how you want your ads to appear to your audience. You'll be able to do stuff automatically, such as increase the ad spend on high-performing ads, decrease the ad spend on low-performing ads, or pause them altogether. You can split test dozens of different ad types to see what offers the most return on investment, etc. The final 3 tools all deal in some respect with finding email addresses. The first one we're going to look at is RocketReach. I think RocketReach provides a really great service. It's a little more pricey than some of the others, but the results are fantastic. You can punch in someone's name, and right away you're very likely to see, or at least in my experience, email addresses for that person. However, if you're on a shoestring budget, Hunter.io and VoilaNorbert.com very often do the job just as well at a cheaper price. I use all 3. I think that very often you're going to find an email that just cannot be found in 1 or 2, and then you find it on the 3rd one. So on the higher end, RocketReach is great. On the budget end, Voila Norbert and Hunter both are great options. I really hope you get a ton of value from this course. We'll be doing over-the-shoulder views into how these tools work and how you can use them to your advantage. Thank you very much and enjoy the course.